Good evening and welcome to Jim Money's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 1st to the 13th. For the period February 1st to the 5th, models and ensembles are in pretty good agreement, forecasting large positive height anomalies here near the Aleutians and across western North America and a trough here in the east. We also have an upper low and a trough south of the Aleutians. You can see the large positive height anomalies. I was on the wrong map, but you can see the large positive height anomalies. The pattern's pretty much the same. And then we're going to go to the end of the period for the 5th, and the pattern doesn't really change that much. So within this flow, there will be several systems in this northwest flow that would dive southeast from Canada and across the eastern U.S. And these systems have to be monitored for possible intensification. And there'll be a couple chances for that coming. One will be Sunday night into Monday, and then again Wednesday into Thursday, possible. So we gotta keep an eye on these things to be watching. The above normal temperatures. We're gonna look at the temperature anomalies. Temperature anomalies are forecast to be up to 10 degrees above normal in the west and about 5 to 10 degrees below normal in the east, and maybe up to 15 degrees below normal, and mainly across New England, as you can see right here, northern New England, New York, and the New England states. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for February 4th to the 8th. Here we are on the 4th. This is at 7 a.m. We still have our large positive height anomalies near the Aleutians, near Russia, eastern Russia, and we have above normal heights here across the western U.S. and a trough here in the east with the upper low over Hudson Bay. We're also showing signs of blocking here with the large positive height anomalies near Greenland. So we still have this deep trough here, and this will be bringing warm conditions in the west and cold conditions in the east. And we're going to look at the temperature anomalies during this period. Temperature anomalies across the northeast are forecast to be as much as 15 degrees below normal, 10 degrees, 5 to 10 degrees elsewhere, and in the west, about 5 to 10 degrees above normal. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting and if the map pops up soon, sometime today would be good. Okay, I think it's going to come up now. Forecasting above normal temperatures for the western states, below normal temperatures from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the northwest and the southeast, and below normal precipitation here. Now for the period for February 9th to 13th. Here we are on the 9th. Pattern remains pretty much unchanged. Above normal heights over the western U.S., a trough over eastern North America with the upper low near Hudson Bay, and we still have our large positive height anomalies near eastern Russia, and we have our trough and and upper low near the Aleutians. Uh, some models differ in this position of the western ridge, as some have it like this one. This is the GEF ensembles, has the ridge over the western U.S. And then we look at the other models, they have it over the western U.S. And then there'll be another run either be along or over the west coast, along or over the west coast during this period. Temperature anomalies during this forecast period are forecast to be as much as 15 degrees above normal in the west, especially across the southwest, and about up to 15 degrees below normal across northern New England, and about 5 to 10 degrees below normal in the east. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for most areas east of the Mississippi River. And for precipitation, I'm calling for still above normal precipitation for the northwest, below normal precipitation here. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for February 1st to 13th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.